Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential problem, that is 50 by 5 power x equal 5 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 50 by 5 power x equal 5 power x by 1 we can write. Now if we do cross multiply, this cross we can write this as 5 power x times 5 power x equal 50. And this becomes 5 power 2x equal 50. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power 2x equal log 50. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So this is 2x log 5 equal log 50. So now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So 2x equal log 50 by log 5. Now this log 50, I can write it as log 5 times 10 by log 5. As per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So 2x equal log 5 plus log 10 by log 5. So 2x equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 10 as 5 times 2 by log 5. So this will cancel out, gives 1. So 2x equal 1 plus this becomes log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. So 2x equal 1 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5. So 2x equal 1 plus this cancel out, gives 1 plus log 2 with base 5 we can write. So 2x equal 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 2 with base 5. Now if I'll divide both sides by 2, so x equal this becomes 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2 with base 5. This cancel out, gives 1. X equal 1 plus 1 by 2 log 2 with base 5. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.